Alright, my daughter has very little patience for anything else today. She wants to see wolves. Got the girls. We went to the Nature Center today. I think it's like a big kind of like zoo-ish complex with lots of local animals. So the girls are excited to be here. At the front desk they say it's a 42-acre facility, mostly local animals. It'll take about an hour to view the grounds, they say. An hour for 42 acres? It seems fast, but we'll see. They have red wolves here and gray wolves here. I told her we may or may not be able to actually see them because they're not pets. They're wild animals. This is a beautiful little walking area up here. It's really hilly, so we're like walking on a cliff, but all like the wooden bridges and trails and paths make it feel like I'm walking in the Ewok village. It's pretty awesome here. Really quiet. Probably because we're in the middle of the day on a Thursday, but really nice. I like it here. Entering a wild hiking area. Bears and other wildlife might be present. What? Oh, we found the nature walk trail, which is exactly what I was hoping for today. I wanted to find a place where we can get in the hills and in the forest a little bit. And this is it. Big hill to climb before we get to the end of this trail, I think.